Santosh. Welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about how to call integration procedure from Apex class. Previous video, if you observe, I have explained how to call Apex class from integration procedure. This video is just like vice versa. We are going to call integration procedure from Apex class. For this, we have managed package Apex classes and methods to call the integration procedure. Velocity has provided us a wonderful Apex class and methods to call the IP. Let's see how we are going to do in the org. Now, for the simplicity, I have already created an integration procedure. If you don't know how to create integration procedure, kindly watch my previous videos on integration procedure. Here I have created one data wrapper to get the contact details. I'm using this data wrapper and passing contact ID. So I'm getting the contact name. Only I'm fetching the contact name for now. Just I'm passing contact ID. So I'm passing this ID. So I need to get this name on the in the integration procedure. See, this data wrapper output is this one. So we got this name of the contact. Similarly, we can also execute this IP and passing this ID from Apex. In the Apex only we can also execute this integration procedure. Let's see how to call this IP from Apex. Now I have already created an Apex class which implements velocity cmt dot velocity open interface 2. Velocity open interface 2 is different than velocity open interface. These both are different. In velocity open interface 2 we have invoke method. This invoke method will execute first and it will call line number 11. We are going to call integration procedure here. In this run integration services method will call this integration name. This name should be type underscore subtype. The name should be type underscore subtype of integration procedure. My integration procedure type is, if you observe, my integration procedure type is get, subtype is contacts. So similarly I have using type underscore subtype get underscore contacts. And input map, I need to pass input map is nothing but whatever the parameters I am going to pass to the integration procedure. In the preview mode I have passed ID variable as a key and ID as a value. Similarly here also we are going to pass ID and value here. IP options is like options we need to perform in anything in the IP. That also we can set like this here. And this total output I am storing in the output map, that will be in the form of map and object. In line number 12 I am printing this output. Let's debug this, how this works. Just I am calling the invoke method, and for simplicity just I am passing null values to everything, all the parameters, because already I have given here I have hard coded these things. So this will be taken. If we pass null also this will work. Now I am executing this one. This Apex class go to this particular integration procedure. The main thing is integration procedure should be active here. I have already activated this integration procedure, and this search for type and subtype, and if it found no, then it will try to pass this ID. Then the response, whatever the response, it will be captured there. Let's see debug logs. In debug only we will find, see what the IP output is like. Same way we have given data wrapper. In data wrapper we have name and name of a contact. Similar like this we are going to get the output of the IP. This will be getting in the form of JSON. Here what I'll do is suppose I need only this node. So I'll do here like, as I will be receiving output as map comma object, so I'll be getting this node dot get. If we do like this, then only that particular node will be executed now. Let's try to save this and then execute. What I'm doing is, all the JSON we are getting stored in the IP input in the form of string and map, string and object. We are getting one node from that particular that particular map. Let's see the output for this. Now same way, this will go to the IP and search for the active IP, and then it will get the JSON of that particular IP output. Yes, it is executed. Now we'll open the debug logs. If you observe the debug logs, we got only name equal to gf minor, because I have given this, I want this node, so I have given this name. That is the reason it came correctly as expected. And please, we have also similarly have multiple like methods to call IP. For that I'll be posting the things in the description. You can see this code as well in the description. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. 70% of my viewers are not subscribing. Please subscribe so that I can take it as encouraged. Thanks.